Hello children. So now let's do our lesson number 2, Mirabai. As all of you know, Mirabai was a great devotee of Lord Krishna. She was also a Rajput princess. So we have been given two of her poetries. In the first one, she asks for Hari, for Lord Krishna to help her out. And in the second one, she requests him to make her his servant so that she will continuously get his darshan. Okay, let's do the first one. Hari aap haro janari bheer. Oh Lord Krishna, you always help people when they call out for you. Whenever the people are in difficulty, you always help them. Draupadi रे लाज राखी आप बढ़ायो चीर. So you kept Draupadi's respectability intact by continuous flow of saris. Continuously you kept providing saris so that even while Dushasan was trying to disrobe her, she was always wearing a sari. At the end, Dushasan got tired and he fell down. But Draupadi, she maintained her grace and her respectability in the court of Hastinapur. Right? So she reminds him, you helped Draupadi, when she was in need, you helped her, right? And then she quotes another example. Bhagat karan roop nar hari dharyo aap sarir. And Bhagat karan, Bhagat, Bhakt, devotee. To help out your devotee, Prahlad. I'm sure you know the story of Prahlad. To help out your devotee Prahlad, you took the form of Nar Hari. One of the meaning of Hari is also a lion. One Hari is Vishnu, one Hari is lion, third Hari is monkey. Okay, so she says, you took the form of half man and half lion. You took that form and you killed Hiranyakashyap, right? And you saved your bhakt, your devotee, Prahlad. Then she quotes a third example. Budhato Gajaraj Rakhyo Kati Kunjar Peer. Peer is pain. Budhato Gajaraj Rakhyo. Budhato, old. Gajaraj, the king of elephants. So you killed the crocodile. Kunjar is elephant. So you killed the crocodile, okay, to keep this elephant, the king of elephants, out of pain. Like I'm sure you know that story when the crocodile caught hold of the elephant's leg while the elephant was taking bath, and he was not able to remove his leg, and he called out to everyone. No one helped him. And then Lord Krishna, he called out to Vishnu. And Lord Krishna is a form of Vishnu, you know it, of course. So he called out to Vishnu, and Vishnu came and he killed the crocodile, and thus he helped the Gajaraj. So she quotes this example also, that you helped Gajaraj also when he needed you. Dasi Meera Lal Giridhar. Oh Giridhar. Giridhar is another name for Lord Krishna. So, oh Giridhar, I am your Dasi, I am your maid. Haro Mhari Bheer. Please take away all these pains, all these difficulties from my life. Please help me out also, how you helped all these people. Okay, so this is the first one, children. Let's move on to the next one. Syam Mhane Chakar Rakho Ji. Syam, Shyam, Lord Krishna. Mhane, mujhe, me. Chakar, servant, Rakho Ji. O Shyam, O Krishna, please keep me as your servant. Giridhari Lala, she's calling him by different names. Giridhari Lala, Mane Chakar Rakho Ji, please make me your servant. Please keep me as your servant. Why does she want to become the servant? चाकर रहस्यों बाग लगास्यों नित उठ दर्शन पास्यों. So when I will become your servant, I will tend to your garden. I will, plant lots of plants in your garden. I'll take care of your garden. And when you come out to roam around in the garden, I will get your darshan. बिंद्रावनरी कुंज गली में गोविंद लीला गास्यो. Bindravan, Vrindavan. Kunj Gali, the narrow streets. In the narrow streets of Vrindavan, Govind Leela Gasyu. And I will get to sing praises. I will get to sing songs of your praises. Okay? In the narrow gully, in the narrow streets of Vrindavan. Chakari mein darsan pasyu. When I will become your servant, I will keep getting your darshan. I will keep getting the chance to see you in person. Sumarana pasyu kharichi. And I will be able to, just close my eyes and look at you and think about you all the time. There's nothing else that I need to do. Whatever manual labor I have to do, I will do, and I'll keep thinking of you because I'll be around you all the time. Though, to be honest, she didn't really need Krishna to be with her, around her in person all the time. She was Krishnamai any which ways. But these are songs of love that she has written for Lord Krishna. So she says, कि चाकरी में दर्शन पास्यूं सुमरण pa. Sumiran means smaran, to think, to remember. I will just keep thinking of you. Sumaran pasyu kharchi. Okay, so Sumaran pasyu kharchi means that it's like a pocket money to me. It's an additional income to me that I'll keep thinking of you. I will keep looking for you. I will get to work for you. Okay, bhav bhagati jagiri pasyu, and I will get bhav bhagati. Bhav means feelings. Bhagati means bhakti. So my bhakti will be so like full of, I'll be so overwhelmed with you all the time. Overwhelmed in a nice way, in a good way. So I'll be so full of you. Like, I'll get to see you, I'll get to work for you, I'll get to think about you all the time. Bhava bhagati jagiri pasyu. So this is the jagir, this is the sampati, this is the wealth that I'll get. I'll get the wealth of your fulfilled devotion in all the ways I'll be around you. This is the wealth that I'm going to get. Tino bata sarisi. So all my desires, all the three things that I wish, everything will get fulfilled. What are the three things that she wishes? She wants to work for Lord Krishna, right? And she wants to get his darshan, and she wants to be filled with only the thoughts of Krishna. She doesn't want to do anything with any other part of the world. All that she wants, all that she wishes for is the thoughts of Krishna. So all these three things she will get, and that is all that she wants. Okay, children? So this is about Meera. I hope you've understood it better now. So go for it. Study well.